Electric plans to take over the world on two wheels. When pre-bookings for the Ola electric scooter were announced in July 2021, things got out of control. The number of people who tried reserving an Ola scooter for rupees 499, approximately €6, was so high the website crashed. They still managed 100,000 pre-bookings in 24 hours.
We are announcing Mission Electric.
Why all the fuss? Stay with us as we try to find out more about the Ola scooters and the company's plans to revolutionize the way Indians commute. Let's start with the products. In the first half of 2020, Ola acquired Dutch scooter startup Itergo, who manufactured a smart EV called the App Scooter. The Ola scooters are essentially the App Scooter, but built keeping the Indian customer in mind. The scooters are sleek and with the smiley face-like design of the headlight, also friendly. They look like they're designed for the urban commuter of the 21st century.
Scooters, which were essentially urban mobility vehicles for the youth, haven't been innovated upon for decades. Now, these vehicles, the ones in the market currently, are completely out of sync with the aspirations of India. They're boring, dull, slow, clunky, and just don't represent the future.
The S1 and S1 Pro are smart scooters. No need for keys here, they can be locked and unlocked with a smartphone or the touch screen. All the information you might need while riding your scooter is a swipe away, including navigation and the media player. The touchscreen, which runs on Ola's proprietary Move OS, can also be customized based on your preferences, a feature that Ola refers to as the scooter's moods. And you can create individual profiles for each person who uses the scooter, so it's set up exactly the way they like it. You can also answer your phone on the go. But far more important is range. Apparently, there's no need to worry in this case. The Ola S1 has a range of 121 kilometers and can be fully charged in under 5 hours. While the Ola S1 Pro has a range of 181 kilometers and can be fully charged at home in 6.5 hours. The S1 gets to a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour, while the S1 Pro, which comes with a bigger battery, gets to a pretty solid 115 kilometers per hour. Ola says the scooters also come loaded with other features usually not seen on two-wheelers, including reverse mode, hill hold, and cruise control. Other than building the sort of scooters they believe young Indians need, Ola also has an emphasis on manufacturing in India, with the scooters boasting 90% localization. Other than the cells for the batteries, everything is built in India. Then there's Ola's commitment to environmental causes and a desire to help reduce two-wheeler emissions in India.
Climate change is real. The future is going to be electric. And I hope that our investments in the Future Factory and the revolutionary product will encourage all of you consumers and industry to reject petrol and truly commit to electric. We are announcing Mission Electric, with the goal that after 2025, no more petrol two-wheelers will be sold in India.
The scooters are being built in Ola's Future Factory at Krishnagiri. With a manufacturing capacity of 10 million scooters a year, or one scooter every 2 seconds, they've set their eyes on 15% of the global two-wheeler market. Soon, 3- and 4-wheeler EVs are meant to follow, perhaps as early as 2023.
It's time for India to lead the world in electrification and build the technologies of the future, here in India for the entire world.
Back to the Ola scooters, the S1 will cost just under rupees 1 lakh, which is under €1,200, while the S1 Pro will cost 1,30,000, approximately €1,500, but we guess a little more in Europe because of import duties. A lot of claims so far, but will the Ola scooter deliver on these promises? How will the scooters stack up against rivals like the Ather 450X, the Bajaj Chetak and the TVS iQube? We'll bring you answers as soon as we get a test ride. What do you think of Ola's scooters and the company's plans to revolutionize the way Indians commute? Let us know in the comments below.